Assalamu Alaikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you're fine, good, cool, and amazing show. If you guys are new here, so please subscribe to the channel right now for getting my more tutorials, and turn on the bell icon for getting a notification of my next videos. And I'm on Instagram. You guys can easily follow me on Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description. And for purchasing any kind of turban or sheep mug, you guys can contact to my own brand AD. WhatsApp number and Telegram number is given in the description. We deliver in all over the world. And in this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you tie a beautiful turban that I'm tying right now. So let's see how can you tie this beautiful turban in black.
سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح تنهد يا صاحي كي تستريح وغص الدعاء الخفي الصريح يسعك الفضاء الرحيم الفسيح. سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح تنهد يا صاحي كي تستريح وغص الدعاء الخفي الصريح يسعك الفضاء الرحيم الفسيح.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have so, give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below because I'm just waiting for your comments. And Allah Hafiz till my next video.